Your boys, we're here with Jack Rios. We got Wally joining us tonight. We got Kaito. And we got the nice, awesome boat right here. We're gonna go out and do some fishing. Jack! Let's go, Wally!
Yes, sir!
Let's go! See the catch tonight, boys. Yeah! You know the vibes, Make that moolah.
Do it. Let's make it. Jack.
DJ Wish.
Jack, you ready?
Hell fuck yeah, boys.
Tato, you ready?
Yeah,
Chet, you ready? Ready? Tata? Ready? Captain? We're ready to get in and catch some fish. Catch some fish. Nungsha. Jack.
Nungsha, baby, nungsha.
What if I told you that I love you? Would you tell me that you love me back? What if I told you that I miss you? Would you tell me that you miss me back? What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? Yeah. What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me too? What if I told you that I love you? When you told me that you love me, was I a fool to believe in you? When you told me I was special, was I dumb for trusting you? When you told me that you want me, did you really want me? Or was this all a joke to you? I don't wanna say I miss you if I don't know that you miss me back. I don't wanna say the wrong thing. If I do, there's no coming back. But if I told you that I need you, would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? What if I told you that I love you? I wish I told you that I loved you. Now it's too late, you have someone new. I hope he loves you like I do. Do you love the way he's treating you? If I told you that I love you, would you tell me that you love me back? If I told you that I miss you, would you tell me that you miss me back? But if I told you that I need you, would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. But if I told you that I love
Very small. Very small. Check out.
Oh!
Shopping. Kill 'em all.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Walk around them bills, walk around them bills, walk around them bills. Fucking on your dot, ain't cool. Hitting on it dot, and I know I do. Hitting on this dot, and I know I do. Fucking on your dot.
Oh, right here.
What's the name of this again?
Lung Sha, hand catch. Hand catch.
Shopping. Kill 'em all. Go in the front.
Right here.
Ooh. Fuck. Lit chipper. Log của katten.
Fuck you, bro. This is the stupid, bro. Everywhere, bro. I'm like freaky already, bro. What the fuck? Did we find the school or what? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fucked up part. That's my first time to
Because
see
one
like
right
that.
after the other, there's like another rock on the
Two,
side. It's there.
1, 2, 1,
Yeah.
2. Always like that. Alternate. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. all
Fuck
the
you,
way.
but this spot is pretty alright.
And then I went to the deep
Right?
and I was like,
Yeah.
You're the one who actually go to the shop, Nick. Oh, we try first in the front.
No, because I know the front is gonna be calm, so we jam the front until we go to the back when we're tired. Trying
trying to get the video.
yeah, trying to get the bad honest, but you guys fucking spoiled, bro. All loud, man. You three, but that guy, I fucking.
Flash him.
No, but even you know, you get some clip or
Yeah, I got.